Hello everyone, I'm Shanine and you're watching Domestic Diva Lifestyle. Now, home buying can be either a nightmare or a dream. I bought a home at the height of the bubble and I was bait and switched by the loan officer, deceived by my own real estate agent and by the sellers. It was horrible. And I was the face of the transaction, so being a woman did not help. All of this injustice cost me a lot of money. So I'm here to make sure that the same doesn't happen to you because I want to save my viewers thousands of dollars and heartache. Here are some tips and things you must know when buying a home, especially if you are a woman. Find the right real estate agent and loan officer. This is key to taking away stress and not being taken for a ride. You need to surround yourself with trustworthy, intuitive, and intelligent professionals. Also verify that they're a member of the National Association of Realtors at realtor.org. You also need to be very involved and informed, and hey, you're watching this, so you're off to a good start. Don't rush. Finding your dream home takes time. Don't let fear or intimidation rush you into a home. It's a buyer's market right now, so take advantage and take your time. And when it comes to financing, get a copy of your credit report and make sure there aren't any errors. Don't open or close any accounts during the house hunting and financing period since it lowers your score. It happened to me and it caused my mortgage to go up hundreds of dollars overnight. Figure out your price range. Your monthly mortgage payment should be no more than 28% of your gross monthly income. Once you figure this out, shop around, get the best rate, and get pre-approval. Also, make sure that you save up several thousands of dollars for your closing costs. When you find a home, check on Zillow.com for comparable home values in the neighborhood and make an offer based on those prices. Next, don't tweet about it. Realtors are using social networking sites to find out buyers' feelings and ultimately weaknesses. So don't go posting things on Facebook and make it public that you found your dream home, you'll do anything for it. Not good. Don't do it. If your offer is accepted, this is when your real estate attorney will step in and read your documents. This is very important. And don't forget to bargain. A home inspection is your bargaining chip. If there's anything not disclosed about the home or if there's any problems, the inspection report will tell you. In return, you can lower your offer and renegotiate. So get an inspection and read it carefully. When you're closing the deal, keep a close eye on any activity going on in your credit. Make sure your loan officer and real estate agent are in a good working relationship. This will ensure that the process stays on time. And don't sign any escrow papers until you do your final walkthrough. Once you get your keys, you can start a new chapter of your life. Go online and utilize all of the tools out there. Be sure to check out my blog, domesticdivalifestyle.com, for more details and links. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember, living great doesn't have to break the bank.